Hello everyone, I'm the sales manager of BetterSize John Wang. Now, we are in the Canton Fair Pavilion. The China Coating Exhibition is being held right here. Today, it is really an honor for me to interview Mr. Wang Shuai, who is the sales director of the Root Group. How are you, Mr. Wang?
Fine, how are you?
Pretty good. Mr. Wang, first of all, would you like to tell me, how did you know BetterSize at the beginning?
My friends told me at first. And also, my customers usually saw BetterSize instruments on site. So, we were getting to know your company better.
So what was the direct reason for you to choose us at that time?
Because we have inspected particle size analyzers in several enterprises in China. Moreover, BetterSize has earned a great reputation in the milling industry. It took us a long time to evaluate BetterSize's development of the corporate, and we were working on finding out the stability of your instrument. And after getting all the pieces, we finally chose BetterSize.
So Mr. Wang, what is your opinion after using our instrument? Do you have some suggestions for us?
We have used BetterSize's equipment since 2000. During these 20 years, BetterSize instruments operated robustly and showed stability. What's more, the after-sales service offered by BetterSize is very efficient and prompt. Recently, we got a decent discount on our old instruments upgrading, and also special modifications based on our request. So in the current situation, we fully trust the quality of your instruments based on reliability.
Thank you so much. From the perspective of your company, did Root get any support during the usage of our particle size analyzer? Besides this, what help we can offer to your sales team when you introduced our instruments?
Root is a manufacturer of grinding miller. We need a precise analysis of particle size during the process of grinding. BetterSize particle size analyzers can offer us an accurate test of these particles, and then we can recommend a suitable machine to our customers based on these analysis. Also, we can offer a more accurate standard to them.
I truly appreciate it. Will you recommend our products to other enterprises?
A lot. Honestly, because Root's machine can meet the wide requirements of many industries in China. And we also recommend our customers to purchase your instruments for a precise test result when we are on the installation site, so that they can produce better material for their customers.
Thank you for your support, Mr. Wang. I hope BetterSize and Root achieve higher success in the near future. Thank you for your time.